You can now enter the X Empire Mini application and connect your wallet, and today, I want to show you how to connect your wallet on X Empire. This is a mandatory step for receiving future airdrop from the X Empire platform. Click on Connect Wallet, then select the wallet you want. I'll be using TunKeeper for my illustrations. Click on TunKeeper and select Yes. Immediately your TunKeeper opens, you'll see this prompt requesting you to connect wallet over here. Click on it. Then input your 4-digit PIN or Face ID if that's what you're using. That's it, guys. It's finally connected. And if you want to verify if it's truly connected, simply open your TunKeeper, head over to the browser here, and click on Connected over here. You should be able to see your X Empire here. Also, if you'd like to stay updated on the daily tasks on X Empire, such as the Daily Stock Exchange, Riddle of the Day, Rebus of the Day, and various YouTube episodes and their codes, simply subscribe to the channel to stay updated as I bring you daily updates. Link to our Telegram channel is in the description below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe.